What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
There are no differences.
Ka General Meeting Jong ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya FASTOM kabalalong ha ka khatlaitrik nailur ha doba si para playground tura kalashim ya karai ban sdang ya ke jingiakhih jongka nadu ka arpo artrik nailur da ka jingialang paidbah ha Madan Malki ka ban sdang nadu ka por khatwei bije menstem bat on boot da ka basyong kelain mungor ka beklemput ha kene hi ka ju hi ka sngi tat hadu ba ka sorkar kan le halor ki jingdawa ki jongka ha Garo Hills ka jinge syong kelain mungor ka baklembu por kan sedang ha ka arpsau trek nailur nadu ka por khatwei beje men step hatura ya ka jakaban penlong ya ka di ka jingiakhih on sapentip kam hadin ya ka te ka general meeting lapen yai da Elvis R Marak Secretary FASTOM Garo Hills region bat lapen nguru ya ka report rekam ka FASTOM nadu usnem arhajar arpulai hadu menta na Secretary ka CEC FASTOM Babu Sanbor John Lingdo Ki nongkren ha kedi ke jingialang ki kentup ya babu kin star CH Moment Vice President FASTOM Central Body but President MUPSTA Central Body Babu Sanborn Jungai Vice President FASTOM Central Body Ubabu Munroji Moment President FASTOM Central Body nalor ki baipan Ki mat ki bahakmat balapan pau da ki nongkren ki long halor ki jing ka ba ki no hikai school ad hoc jong ka jela ki akendu ha kini ka jong namar ki jing yo ka baret henry ka jing ki udor jong ki mar ki matapan ka long ka balapalat ka jing no senyang jong ki school ad hoc ha ka jela Katkum ka jing kain statistics balapalat da ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy DSEL jong usnem baladem Ka jingdon jong ki khna school ki bapule nadu secondary hadu higher secondary hapo ke jela ki longbaro shila khatpra hajar sauspa arp khandai nakitei khat ar hajar sanspa ngut ki don haki school sorkar khat san hajar sanspa haki school private katba ki basa kumba shila saw hajar ngut ki don haki school deficit hak ba shiteng nakini ki khna school ki dei ki school adhong nakani ka statistics aneng ngisngo thu ba ki school adhoc ki long shisha kum ubutlum uba sinyang hakal yang ka jingnang jingsta hadin balayo ya ka grand na ka sorkar bun na ki SMC kimshim by school na ki khna henry ki aya ki jinghikai yakini ki school ngin lab bun ha ki jaka nong kendong kato kat ni ki SMC ki krong ya ka by school ka barit bha tangban pendap ya ki jingdon kam kum ka bathit chok bat kot sada tang khandiat ki SMC ki krong ya ka by school ka ba ki la ban siu tam ya ka tulop jong ki nong hikai na lor ka grand ha ka bakut hi kamut ki SMC ki shanya be tang na ka grand ka ba ai ka sorkar ha ka bai dei bat ka jing terwa ban kentiu tulop ya ki nohikai school ad hoc ha ka State Education Commission ka Federation ka laong ba ha ka baningkong ki skok men shibun ya ka jingmi ka Education Commission henry hadin bala pendep ya ka final report bat IT sya ka sorkar ki dap da ka jing susi thang habayo jing tip ba omdon ha ka report na ka benta jongki Ka Federation ka kentu ya kinohikai school ad hoc hapo ka jela ban yasno khti bat ya telilang ka wei ha ka jingya le na ka benta ki hok ka jongki bat ka kerpat rit ru ya ki SMC jongki school shnong bat school mission ban ailat bat sha ya kinohikai school jongki ban ya shim bentalang ha ki program jingiakhih bandawa ya la ka hok Baro ki jingdawa jongi kin longkam tanglada ka sorkar ka doni ka mon banle Kum kino hikai ngi tips kem balada ka sorkar ka don ya kamon kala ban pen urlong. Ngi kentu ya ka sorkar jela baka de ban kentiu kerdan no ya ki school ad hoc baro ha ka jela sya ka deficit system ne ka pattern deficit ka bamut ka pay scale bat ki we ki jingsiu ong ukurwo na ka federation. Kalau ong ru ba kum kino hikai school ad hoc kis ngau thu ba kim don lat shu da kum pan wat haba kila kerpat rit labun sin na ka sorkar bat kalenti ka basa menta ka long bait tangban penlong da ka jingiakhih ka ban sedang nadu ka arpu atrik nailur arhajar arpusan
13 September 2025 we held the general body meeting here in Doba Sipara playground. Regarding the general meeting, we had already given a press conference right from the 2nd of September. that if the government of the day does not invite us or does not do anything regarding the demands of the Federation, we will take a decision as and when the ad hoc school teachers will start the agitation program. So today, after a series of discussion, the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, we take one unanimous decision. And the decision was that we will go ahead with the agitation program, which will start from 22nd of September 2025 in Shillong. The agitation program will start with a mass rally from Malki ground at 11 a.m., followed by an indefinite sit-in demonstration. That is, the ad hoc teachers in Shillong will spend their restless night in the streets on the 22nd itself indefinitely. And the teachers in Garo Hills will start the indefinite sit-in demonstration on the 24th September 2025. So the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, why we took this unanimous decision? The main reason was that the demand of the ad hoc schools had been kept pending by the government for decades. We had been demanded for the upgradation of all schools to the deficit system. And if not to the deficit system, at least the government should upgrade the school to the pattern deficit, that is the pay scale plus other allowances. As an ad hoc teachers, we felt that we have every right to demand from the government. Why? Because ad hoc teachers had been contributed to the state in terms of education right from the year 1980s, 1990s till date, and will continue to do so. For example, in the previous data or statistics which was released by the Directorate of School Education and Literacy, that is DSEL, we saw that the ad hoc teachers had really contributed to the state. For example, according to the statistics, in the secondary and higher secondary section, there are around 118,000 in the state of Meghalaya who studies in different schools. Out of these 118,000, 12,500 are in the government schools and 1,500 are in the private unaided schools. And nearly 104,000, they are the students who studies in the grant in aid schools, that is the deficit, and the ad hoc schools. Which means at the end of the day, we know that ad hoc schools had contributed a lot in terms of education. But the only difference is the salary when we compare with other teachers of the state. So if the government of the day does not listen to our demand of upgradation, the indefinite agitation will continue to go on, and after 3 or 4 days, which means that we will still put pressure on the government by announcing, we can say, more agitation. Now, if we talk about the difference between the government teachers and the ad hoc school teachers, there are no differences. If we talk about the norms, the conditions set by the department, if you talk about the qualification, it is the same only. But why the difference in the salary? We are only asking from the government to provide an equal pay for equal work. At present, in the state of Meghalaya, we have around 8,000 ad hoc teachers. We had been rendered service, and we hope the state government of the day, we request them, we appeal to them, we urge them, they will take up immediate steps and measures to solve the problems of the ad hoc teachers, which was kept pending right from many decades. And we hope the government of the day will listen to our appeal and request and do the required work.
Kalai tarik mentau benai bakandai arjar pesan. Nilai lum paidbah lang hang ni po Madan jongka school dubasi para higher secondary school po tura. Ya kikir dhun ni kai ad hoc. Kebag sarkar kalale kelat. Ha do gini por ke pemerintah. Naru Islam ke balai nyoru ila nakapor si kapor ila ya persang. Ban wanra kata ka jingit terilang ke pasutu jembut lum rengkat bag sarkar. Kanang bangin la managa jing sri ke bahok. Nilai persang ke bangin la Andai i kemban ke ba kan ke sarkar ni minta ke mudar ke ba kala ban wanra ban pen slotanat lani ban pen yahap ya ke jing teri sitom jingi bat ke jing yo tulop jingi. Tere ke khidmat ke minta khlam ka nong da musim ke bakyai lai rai ba agar khidmat minta lai shim ye ke senjam ki ba sunna ni khidmat ba ha ka ar tarik juli upnai pemerintah ini syong ya kan ini pelong ya jingialang paidbah apo Malki ground apo Syllad aku kadway bi Mr. Nang tapar kan buat sa jing ya syong kalan mongor sngi bat miet apo Syllad aka nadu arpo artarik berkunjuru hang ne apo tura nadu ka arpo sau tarik ini di senjam kiba ngihaban syem daga jing bamban se ngihaban ya syakmat ya kini program kiba ngilap kre mentah man paru ya ki parang ikai but ia kipat ba bro begini ai tiga man figure yang main kesan ia kena kejing ya kun jungi nang bagi thong jungi in poi share ke job blish bun
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.